This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wi-Fi on your Jio phone. To begin, go to your phone's main menu from the home screen. Use the navigation buttons to scroll down, then select the settings option. Press the central select button to enter this menu. From here, you will find connectivity choices, leading you to the Wi-Fi settings for a seamless connection. This process is straightforward and quick. Once you are in the network settings, locate and select the Wi-Fi option. If Wi-Fi is currently off, toggle it to the on position. Your Jio phone will then automatically begin scanning for available wireless networks in your immediate vicinity. A list of all detected networks will soon appear on your screen. Take a moment to carefully choose your desired network from this list, ensuring it is the correct one for secure access. After successfully selecting your desired network, your phone will prompt you to enter the Wi-Fi password. Use your device's keypad to carefully input the correct password, paying close attention to both uppercase and lowercase letters. Always double-check for any typos before you proceed to the next step. Once the password is entered, select the Connect or Join button. Your phone will then attempt to establish a secure connection, and you should see a Wi-Fi symbol confirming successful access. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of your Jio phone or the Wi-Fi router often resolves minor problems. Always confirm you have the exact password, as a small typo can easily prevent connection. Using Wi-Fi helps preserve your mobile data allowance and typically offers much faster internet speeds. This enables smoother browsing, better quality streaming, and more efficient app usage, significantly enhancing your overall phone experience. Enjoy your new, seamless connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.